everyone. Hi. It's such a weird frame. Look at the angle of this camera, man. Seriously, honestly. Anyways, hello. This is a weird background, I know, because obviously this is my shed slash my little studio, my lovely place that I'm going to be working. So today I'm going to be doing a little clean out because I want to start putting some of my art stuff in here. I'm going to literally turn the camera around and show you like the little bits and bobs that I have here that are quite beautiful. Well, like one piece of furniture technically, but yeah, I'm gonna put a chair in here, a table which is in my living room. I'm just gonna put that in here as well, and I'm gonna start working here. Most of the time I think I'm gonna be standing up while I'm working because I'm always sitting down every day, my 9 to 5. So yeah, don't mind my hair. Literally, I'm at home cleaning up and stuff, and I'm about to make dinner. So but at the moment I'm just gonna quickly clean this up because I know it's gonna take me about 20 minutes to do it because it's really such a small space. One second, I'm gonna show you the little spot so it is cute. Okay, don't mind the weather because it's raining. This is my little garden, yeah, and there's like a huge tree in front of my little shed thingy. Here is the shed slash studio. Let me just go back a bit and show you. This is my other second one there. This is the one I'm using. So you come in to my little studio. There's my little stuff there. There's some other bits of like painting stuff. My mop that I'm going to be cleaning up with. I've already got the elbow and grease ready. But yeah, and this little moth on the floor. Oh, ugh. But yeah, anyways, yeah, so it's a nice little size. Yeah, it's pretty cute actually. It looks a bit scary at the moment, but I'll like make it come to life. Yeah, I don't know about working here in the winter, but it's debatable. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but most of the time I'll be like standing up in my kitchen, my little island bit, and then be working. But yeah, it's a cute little space. I'm definitely gonna be yeah, working here a lot. The plan is today I'm just gonna clean up this section. So I'm gonna move that thing here into this corner, clean up the floors, put all this stuff, arrange it on there, which will be, like I said, in this corner. And then yeah, there's a spider web there as well, so I need to get that cleaned off and everything. And then yeah, from tomorrow I should be able to do at least a few TikToks in here, a few shorts for YouTube and some Instagram stuff. Hopefully it will be a bit more presentable, and there will be stuff that'll be that'll be hung up here because I've got hooks as well. So yeah, it looks really dark. I don't know if I'm going to put some lighting. I want to put some lighting. There's some tiny little hooks here, so I want to put like tiny bits of lighting in there so it looks really, really cute, and just it will look better. I know it will look better. So it will take me about, to finish this and to buy everything in here, a good £150. I think £150 will be good enough to get some little like battery powered lighting, just get like little bits and bobs. I already have a table, I do have a chair. Actually yeah, I might get a new one, but I might just use the chair I already have, like a little purple chair, so I might just use that. But most of the time I said I'm going to be standing up in here anyways. So yeah, I can't wait until this space is brightened up a bit more because it's going to look really amazing. But let's just get cleaning up with this space first. And I'm going to be scared because I'm going to see some insects, but let me just try and get it cleaned up. Oh my god, it's So it is about a few weeks since I did that video, that clean up, because obviously you can see my hair is different and I'm wearing very different clothing. But yes, I'm gonna show you quickly what it looks like now, because I was supposed to and it just like completely cut out. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Yeah, this is how my house looks like when I'm walking away from it. Okay, so we're gonna go in again. Alright, I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, some spiders. Here she is. So there's not much going on, but here she is. Ooh. Here she is. So I've put the table from here to here. These are the recent paintings that I've done. I'm gonna hang up one more over here. Yeah, so it's pretty much a nice little working desk. I don't come here as often because usually I'm in my living room doing my paintings or stuff. And I just don't know, I just don't feel like coming out here sometimes. Sometimes it gets a bit too dark, so I'm like, I'm not gonna bother coming here. And I've got some spare canvases, just everything I need here. My little wine bottle, which I like. It's really cute, this one bottle, so cute. But yeah, anyways, might put some lights in there. Yeah, I'm planning to put some lights in these like little hook thingies. Where is it? Yeah, this hook, like this hook thingies here. Just hang something on there. So I'm gonna go all the way across, and then my little easel. Yeah, it's gonna be here, and then with another canvas. I don't know if I'm gonna put like some rocks on the ground. I don't know. It depends. I'm just still working on it, still thinking about the ideas and what I'm gonna do pretty much. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with friends and family, because that's what helps me as well. And then yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.